This is the exact moment two scientists realized they had captured footage of a bird that hadn't been seen in over 140 years.
Hit the side arrow. Fuck. Doka? Doka.
Fuck.
Doka.
What is this?
It's Awow.
Fuck.
Isn't it Awow? We can't tell them. We have to have them look through the photos too. We say nothing.
Hey, we get it.
Holy shit, man.
The bird they found was the black-naped pheasant-pigeon of Papua New Guinea, known locally as the Awow. This marks the first ever video recording of the species, once believed to be extinct. This footage was captured in 2022 on Ferguson Island in Papua New Guinea, a rugged and inaccessible forest which likely contributed to the species' survival.